Hello teachers, in this video, we shall check out the teacher's dashboard in BrightClass application. If you are already a member of BrightClass application, enter your credentials and log into your account. Once you log into your account, you can see these two sections. You can see your classrooms and schedule in one place, so that you can plan your lessons and day accordingly. Choose the class you want to enter by clicking on the Open button. You can see the teacher's dashboard for that class. You can manage, communicate, and plan your lessons in one go from this dashboard. The Lessons section enables you to create the lecture material prior to the class and make it available to your students. Use Create New to make a new lesson, and you can view all your stored lesson material by clicking on View All button. You can create an assessment or assignment by clicking on the Create New button and publish it. Your students can instantly access the tests and assignments. You can access the past tests and questions from this View All option. Self-study courses are a wonderful way to create complete course material for your students. They can access it anytime and anywhere. You can develop course content by clicking on the Create New button. You can look at all the courses created with the View All option. Content repository option can give an option to upload all kinds of files like images, videos, documents, etc. and make it available to the students. BrightClass makes the management part super easy. Here you can invite students with a simple QR code or send a class invite link to them. You can mark attendance using this Take Attendance option quickly. You can communicate with individual students and make announcements to all the students at once. You can plan your days ahead and view your schedule by clicking View All option. It is all about the teacher's dashboard. We shall explore all the features in the following videos. Thank you.